Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. In Kemet's ancient lore, Ogdoad held their reign. Each pair significance, crystal clear, not in vain. Water's realm, Nu and Naunet's sacred domain. Primordial waters they nurtured, no cosmic chain. Amun and Amaunet, air's tender embrace. Guardians they were, no element they'd efface. Kuk and Kauket, darkness and light's sacred space. In their balance, cosmic mysteries they trace. Ha and Hauhet, eternity's embrace, they'd maintain. Time's unending flow, in their hands would sustain. Ogdoad's wisdom. In ancient Kemet, Egypt's terrain. Their cosmic roles and power, forever will retain. The Ogdoad, also referred to as the Hauhet or infinites, held sway as the celestial overseers during a distant cosmic epoch. They are acknowledged to have predated the presently recognized Egyptian religious framework, devoting their attention to the protection and prosperity of the celestial realm, and subsequently, playing an indirect role in the genesis of humanity. The Ogdoad, also recognized by the names Hauhet or infinites, reigned as the celestial authorities in a cosmic era that preceded the well-known Egyptian religious system we are acquainted with in modern times. Their central emphasis resided in the protection and nurturing of the celestial realm, and, as time passed, their influence subtly extended to contribute to the emergence of humanity. In ancient Kemet, Egyptian belief system, the elements of the universe were associated with specific deities from the Ogdoad, and they included water, represented by the deities Nu and Naunet, who were responsible for the development and renewal of the primordial waters of the universe. Air, cared for by the deities Amun and Amaunet, who were the caretakers of the air element. Light, the harbingers of darkness were Kuk and Kauket, who were associated with the concept of darkness and its counterpart, light. Time, Ha and Hauhet, the last pair, were responsible for maintaining eternity and infinity, symbolizing the element of time in the Egyptian cosmology. These pairs of deities, collectively known as the Ogdoad, were believed to balance the fundamental elements of the universe, contributing to the order and harmony of creation in ancient Egyptian mythology. During the Old Kingdom period in ancient Kemet, Egypt, there was a prevailing belief that Nu and Naunet held the sacred duty of overseeing the development and perpetual renewal of the primordial cosmic waters. Amun and Amaunet were entrusted as the guardians of the realm of air, while Kuk and Kauket were recognized as the bringers of darkness, playing a significant role in the cosmic balance. Lastly, Ha and Hauhet, constituting the final pair, were responsible with the profound responsibility of upholding the concepts of eternity and infinity. Remarkably, it was observed that within each of these divine pairs, the first name represented the male aspect, while the second denoted the female, emphasizing a remarkable equilibrium of genders within this sacred pantheon. While their influence reached its zenith during the years 2686 to 2134 BCE in the Old Kingdom, particularly in the Greek-named settlement of Hermopolis, due to the association of Tahuti Thoth, later with the Greek messenger god Hermes, remnants of the Ogdoad's pantheon endured and left an indelible mark on the subsequent generation of gods. This connection between the Ogdoad and the creation of humanity was noteworthy, as these ancient deities predate the more familiar Egyptian gods like Osiris, Isis, and Anubis. Nu and Naunet's waters, dark and deep. A primordial dream, in silence, they'd keep. Amun and Amaunet, the air's gentle sway. Whispers in the wind, as night turns to day. Kuk and Kauket, in shadows they dwell. A dance of contrasts, their tale they tell. Ha and Hauhet, eternity's silent stream. Infinite time, a celestial dream. In the spirit of profound grace. The Ogdoad secrets, in Egypt's ancient space. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.